In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to click on Privacy section over here. Now select Permission Manager and tap on any of your device's features you wanna manage, like location. Then tap on one of your apps under one of those categories: allowed only while in use, allowed all the time, or denied. Let's go with AliExpress from the night one. After tapping on one of your apps, click on one of those options. Ask each time, allow only while in use, or deny. Let's go with allow only while in use, so when I tap and go back, I can see that AliExpress just gained access to my device's location while I'm using it. But most people don't know you can actually pick any feature and look for an app you wanna manage instead. For example, I will go into microphone only to find Opera Mini. Now, instead of clicking on any of those options, select See All Permissions here in blue text and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!